Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up an automatic reply in Gmail using the vacation responder feature. If you ever need to let people know you're out of office, this will come in handy. Let's dive in. First, log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll want to go to the Generals tab. Then, scroll down until you find the Vacation Responder section. Click on the Vacation Responder on option to enable automatic replies. Now, set the dates for your automatic reply. Enter a start date and, if needed, an end date. You can also add a subject line, something like out of office. Next, write the message you want people to see when they email you. For example, you could write, "Thank you for reaching out. I'm currently unavailable and will respond to your email as soon as I return. For urgent matters, please contact alternative email or phone number." Done. If you only want your contacts to receive this reply, check the box that says, "Send responses only to people in my contacts." Once you're happy with everything, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. And when you're back, Gmail will remind you that the vacation responder is on. To stop the automatic replies, just click End Now. That's it. Now you know how to set up an automatic reply in Gmail. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.